Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another prom look. A lot of you guys requested that I do gold and red, and this is what I came up with. So I hope it's what you guys are expecting. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then make sure you keep watching. So I'm gonna start off with this eyeshadow primer, and this is the one from Morphe, and it's in translucent. And I'm not gonna put too much, just a little bit right in the creases of my eyelid, if that makes sense, like right where your eyelid would crease usually. Okay, so now I'm using my Allegro concealer in Cool Tan, and somebody asked me what the point was in doing both. And really, the eyeshadow primer keeps my eyelid from creasing when I use light colors, and then this one just gives me the base so my colors will appear more pigmented. So I'm using the matte book from the Crayon case, and I'm gonna pick up the burgundy from this palette first and put it in my crease. So actually, I'm gonna pick up the red first. Using the same brush, I'm gonna lightly blend out the edges. Not even lightly, I'm just gonna blend them out. I don't know why I said lightly. So that's why I usually see me use the M506 and blend out my colors, because you see when I use like a bigger brush, this happens, but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna take the brush that I blended my concealer with and tap it over here, because I blended my eyeshadow out too far. I hate when I do that because it's so hard to clean up. But then I want to go into the M506 and pick up a little bit of the red. So now I'm going to go to the burgundy that I showed y'all earlier, and I'm going to use the same brush. This is the E17. Usually I'll put the dark color down first and then use the lighter one to blend it out, but because I didn't do that on this eye, I was kind of scared it wouldn't look the same, and I didn't want my eyes to look different. So yeah, but if you want to put the burgundy down first and then use the red to blend it out, then do that, because I kind of wish I did now, because my red kind of look a little patchy. And just because it's kind of bothering me, I'm gonna take the M506 and blend this out somewhere, because it's not blended how it should be. So I'm gonna switch to a E18 and continue with the burgundy. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with the Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer in C1. But if you are gonna do this look, make sure you clean your crease off first. I didn't, just because I personally don't mind the pink tint that it took. But if you want to use like white and it actually be white, make sure you take a makeup remover wipe or something and clean off your eyelid, so when you cut your crease, it'll be white and not pink. And that's something else I do to help it not mix so much. I just pat my concealer down. Like, I don't swipe it unless I'm like cutting the crease like up here at the top. But other than that, I just pat it. Going back into the burgundy using the E17, I'm just gonna tap it over here lightly to blend this out. So I'm going to be taking this pigment from Omas Cosmetics. It's O-M-A-S, because when I said it last time, a lot of people was like, what? But it's in the shade White Diamond. I'm going to take that on my favorite packing brush ever that I will link down below. It's a brush set from Amazon. It's really, really cheap, honestly, and it's like my favorite. But I want to pack this on my eyelid. Okay, yeah, so like right here where we have like the ombre effect going on, I'm gonna put some of my duo lash glue, the clear one, and then I don't see it right now. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna put some of my duo lash glue there, and then I'm gonna take this glitter from Omas Cosmetics. It's called Pot of Gold. It looks green, but it's like a mixture of chunky and fine gold glitter, and I'm gonna put that right in here. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna do my mascara and my lashes off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I complete the waterline. So for the waterline, I'm gonna take I did it in every video, I swear, a E36, which is like a small pencil brush. I'm gonna dip into the burgundy and take it like halfway. I don't know why, but like I said in one of my other videos, I don't like bringing my color all the way around, so I just stop it midway. And then I'm going to take the jumbo pencil from NYX in the shade Milk, which is just a white eyeliner, and I'm going to also line like my waterline midway. Yeah, like that. You want to try to avoid your eyelashes. If you get it on your eyelashes, go back over it with the burgundy. But now I'm going to do some mascara. And a mistake that I see is when you put down your duo lash glue or whatever glitter, primer, glue, whatever you use, don't put it down like in a straight line like I did. You want to try to put your glitter down and make an ombre effect, so it's not just a harsh cutoff. So this gold highlighter that you see on my face is from the Princessa Azteca palette, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just gonna highlight my face and like the inner corner of my eye. So this one is actually more so of a highlighter. Omas Cosmetics has a pigment in Carrot Gold. Hold on, y'all. Well, if you want to use this one, I'll show you. But this one is like way like more dramatic. If you want like a dramatic one, but I think this one is like natural enough. Yeah, if you want yours to like pop like that. But I personally don't like using this one for a highlighter because you can kind of see the little specks of flakes in it. The specks of flakes. You can see like the little flakes in it. So, I mean, it's up to you. But so right there, I'd rather take the red up instead of bringing the gold down, if that makes sense. But yeah, we don't want to like destroy the look on accident. So y'all, I'm not into color on my lips, so I'm just gonna take this brown lip liner and line my lips, and then top it off with some lip gloss. Well, that didn't really take well because I already had a lip gloss because I didn't wipe it off for some reason. How y'all feel about that? I don't know. I just hate color so much on my lips. But that was, just in case you're wondering, it's called Cookie Butter. It's the butter gloss from NYX. Just gonna dust this powder away. Okay, I'm gonna set with my NYX matte setting spray. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed. Look at this glitter. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more looks, and I will see you guys in my next video.